This tutorial introduced Boolean type and relational operators. Boolean data type refers to true or false value. Relational operators we may refer to as a comparison operators, like a greater than or less than, greater than or equal to. So Boolean data type declares a variable with a value either true or false. So we are looking at the statement to evaluate, then we expect to get Boolean value either true or false. So you declare as a data type called Boolean, then name of variable. You can use the value or expression. Here 1 greater than 2. We always leave left to right hand side, which is false. So if you evaluate 1 greater than 2, that is false. That will be stored to variable b as a false value. Let me use a block diagram. Okay, now we are going to cover 6 different relational operators. So we have a special symbol, less than. Name is less than equal to, again less than or equal to. One of them is true, then is true. Greater than, equal to. Then we have equal to, 2 equal signs. Then not equal to. Again here less than or equal to. So as long as one of them is true, it is true. And greater than or equal to, also same, either is greater than or equal to, the value is true. Please look at not equal to special symbol. Look at the numeric key number 1. Okay, now I'll give you an example. Let's start with a variable called radius. 10.0 double value. We try to evaluate whether radius is less than 0, which is not true. So this one, once we evaluate it, it will return value called false. Radius less then or equal to false. We continue again, radius greater than 0. Radius is 10, obviously that's true. Then radius greater than or equal to 0, true. Let me fix it, that it should be true. Radius equal to 0, false, because radius is 10. Radius not equal to 0, that is true. Okay, I think the radius is missing at the beginning, so let me type it again. So if I use block diagram, we have one memory block. Name of block is radius, and the value is 10.0. Then the first one we are trying to compare whether 10.0 less than 0. That's not true, so answer is false. So that you can evaluate it one by one. Second one is obviously false. Then next one is true, and then true, false, and true. Okay, let's create a new Java project with the default main class. Okay, the Boolean data type and the relational operators here. With the value either true or false. Okay. Let me begin with a simple example. Boolean b, I will assign default value, which is false. Then depends on expression here, I will assign the value. Let's say 1 greater than 2, which is false. So b is going to hold false value. Again, false value. Let's change the value 10 greater than 2. That is true. Okay, let me go through 6 different relational operators. We call it as a comparison operator sometimes. So I will declare one variable called radius equal to 10.0. Say here radius less than 0. It means 10 less than 0. That is not true. So let's see the actual value using system out, println. So just print it out output on standard output device on your console basically. And then I will repeat 5 more times. Because there are 6 relational operators. So less than, let me type the name of relational operators, less than or equal to, greater than, here greater than or equal to, equal to. Make sure you use 2 equal signs, not equal to. Look at your numeric keyboard number 1 on your left hand side. So if you evaluate, I think I need to put some lines. Let's say system out println, then I'll add relational operators so that is clear. Here, please evaluate one by one. The first one is false, that's correct. Next one is false, and then true and true. Second last one is also false. Then last one is obviously true. That's all. Thank you.